Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to talk about waxing body hairs. Now the last video I did on removing my facial hairs, a lot of you guys asked me to actually do a video on removing how I remove my body hairs at home without using a razor. So I recently have been using waxing strips because they are so easy to use and I feel like they can remove your hair very instantly whenever I have to go out really quick and I don't really have the time to go to a salon. This is what I have been using. So without further ado, let's dive in. And if you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you like it here. If you like the vibe, if you like my content, you can hit the subscribe button because I post 4 days a week. And yeah, let's get on with the video now. Before just diving in, I do want to talk about waxing a little bit. I used to use the whole, the hot wax thing before, but that was so messy. I used to spill hot wax all over my room. It's a lot messy, especially if you are someone who's not a professional, you're just, doing this at home. So that is when I switched to waxing strips. It's almost like it's exactly similar. It is going to give you the same result without the mess. And also I do want to say that I feel like the hair grows back so much at a slower rate once you start waxing it. Like my hair tends to grow after like 20 days almost. It grows on fully and then I will do my next waxing session. So the waxing strip I'm going to use is from Carmesi. You guys know I really do love this brand. I have used their products in the past and I really do like this a lot. A lot of the waxing strip I get in the market, like previously I got, didn't really work that well. I really love this because honestly it removes the tiniest of hairs. When you are using waxing strip, a lot of the times you may notice that it doesn't remove all of your hair in one go. You have to apply it and reapply it and then it's going to remove your hair, especially if you have thicker hairs. So that is why I like this, because my body hairs are very thick, and not only that, it is also made of 94.16% natural ingredients. It also has a very unique shape to it which helps you grip this waxing strap much more conveniently, and it's very easy to remove your hairs at one go. Also, another thing I like about this waxing strip is that this smells so good. Like it has a very vanilla scent to it. A lot of the waxing strip that you get in the market doesn't have this fragrance thing. So after waxing your body, actually this leaves a very beautiful almond and vanilla kind of a fragrance on your body, which I absolutely love. And another thing which I thought it was very useful that came in this waxing strip box is this post-wax moisturizing wipes. So when I saw this, I immediately thought it was going to be like normal makeup wipes, but you know what, whenever we wax, especially with these waxing strip, it leaves a little bit of that stickiness behind from the wax, and it's very hard to remove. These I think so they are filled with some oil kind of a texture to it. This has some oil kind of a texture, so once you wipe it, it just removes that stickiness from your hands or from your legs, from your skin in one go. And that is why I love this, because you can totally see in the video itself, in the later part of the video, how I use it, and you can see that this removes the stickiness and this removes the waxing that the strips leaves behind a little bit. It removes it completely. It's not like any moisturizing like normal wipes that you get in the market. These are infused with oils. So now I'll show you how I like to use this waxing strip. So first what I do is I make sure my body doesn't have any moisture to it. So I really like to powder down the area where I'll be using this waxing strip. So make sure you really powder down the area very well. So after that is done, I take one strip and you can see both sides has the wax in it. So I place the one strip really well into my skin. Make sure that you place the strip really well and just pat the area really nicely so that the strip really sticks in with your hair. So after doing that, you have to pull the strip in one go. You have to make sure that you take a little bit of your force, you do it with a little bit of force. So you make sure that, and then after that pull it in one go, and you can totally see that the hair comes out. You can see that I don't have a lot of hairs, but you can see in the video itself that the hair that came out, it was literally in one go. Honestly, I love it because I don't have to go again and again in the same area. So you can see how I am doing, removing my hairs. It is the same process I'm applying all over my leg. As you can see, I am, taking my time and waxing the hairs from my body. So this actually takes me about like 10 to 15 minutes, 15 minutes being the max. It doesn't take me more than that to wax all the body hairs. So I can use it on my arms, I can, as I said, I can use it on my arms, I can even use it in my stomach area, you know. So these are really helpful, because this is, I feel like, the quickest way to remove my body hairs. So and you can totally see the process as well. I also wanted to tell you guys one thing, that I know I didn't show you guys my arm area, you know, being waxed, because I am not going to wax right now. I'm going to take a little bit of time to wax my arm area, because right now they are just growing, they are very tiny. So I let my hair grow fully and then I wax it, because that is when I feel like, you know, the hair comes out really well. And I just don't like to wax it when it's like, you know, in the growing stage. So that is why I'm not doing my arms. So after waxing, what I like to do is I like to take the Carmesi post wax soothing and moisturizing wipe right here, and I really like to take my time and just rub off all the wax that I have, all the stickiness, you know, that the waxing strip might leave behind. I like to wipe it with this wipes, and you can totally see it leaves a very beautiful finish on the skin as well. It is a moisturizing wipe and it has some oils to it, I feel like, which helps you remove the stickiness from the skin. After, you know, using the waxing you know, wipe, this is the soothing and moisturizing wipe actually. After using the soothing and moisturizing wipe, you can go in with your body lotion or body butter, anything that you would like to use, and put it all over your body. Here I'm just taking a normal body lotion that I have in my collection and putting it all over my body, and I am done with my waxing. This is how my skin looks like after waxing. So this is the whole process of how I like to remove my hairs while using a waxing strip, and I feel like it is one of the best and the easiest ways to use a waxing strip. And as you can see, there isn't much to show you guys also, because it doesn't really take a lot of time or effort to use you know, to wax your hairs when you're using this easy waxing strip at home. So this Carmesi waxing strip, this package comes with 20 strips in it, and I just need 4 to do all over my, you know, leg hairs. I just need 4 of it, and that's enough for my, you know, whole entire legs. So I feel like, you know, $249 for this is such an amazing deal. Also, you can use my code, I will leave it on the screen, to get you know, a percentage off. Whenever you use my code, you can get a little bit of off. And so I just want to say that this is such an affordable way to, you know, remove your hairs while using a wax that is very effective, that is also very easy to use, and that is also just like takes about only 10 minutes. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about waxing strips in the description box. Sorry, not in the description box, in the comments down below. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.